Hello everybody, it's me SM Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna upload you a video that I'm going to SM. So I have this cell phone, so I'm gonna use this cell phone for my driving video. So it's really beautiful. It's my husband, so don't mind. It's husband Billy. So Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm holding a Samsung cell phone. So this is from one of my subscribers. So I would like to say thank you so much to you for being there and supporting my channel. So if you want to support my channel, you can also go to my description and my videos. Then you can also click the people account there and send any amount for any donations. So for that, if you want to watch a longer videos, you can also click the join button level 3 and super thanks in my channel here down below in the videos. So for now, I'm gonna drive on the way to Bacolod, driving to Bacolod City and purchasing this cell phone, but this time I'm only making an intro. So I have already the video. The cell phone that I have now is the Samsung E73. ABC, I don't know, but this is a Samsung. This is worth 29,000 with discount, 1,000 pesos discount, and then it's with free adapter for the charger like that, and then it's worth about 29,000 in total. But then this is not my money, this is from my subscribers, and this cell phone I'm gonna use for my driving video. So usually I use cell phone for my foot pedals, and this one I'm gonna use it for my full view, because for my full body videos it's quite shaky, but this one is with stabilizer. So let's see and check it out. This time I'm gonna make a sample video for this cell phone. So for now, enjoy watching. So I pick up some money for my cell phone because my sponsors wants to buy me a Samsung cell phone worth 30,000. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Video. So I'm gonna edit that one. Can you go to color?
Color, check sa akin. Tama na.
Ay, na siya mga tempered ga. Wala, no?
Wala pa ni siya, ma.
Ako na lang ko nag-tempered o cover ga.
Oo, ma.
Wow.
We are at all stabilizer, super steady. So stabilizer do action cam. Sa shaky, yung mga hands dapat i-on mo siya while the video
Oh,
ka.
stabilizer nga. It's good for you.
And then, kung go ka sa more, ma'am, draw mo makita si macro lens, super slow-mo, or hyperlapse. May other option pa siya. And then, ika-fourth camera ta is portrait, kung ga-blur yung background. And then, ika-third camera ta is ultra-wide angle. Kanto ko lang sa main photo, and then ito mo 1.5 na wider na siya. 123 degree. And then 10 times zoom na siya hanggang pwede niya.
Okay.
Up to 10 times zoom. Kaya siya mamaha?
Kini siya 0.6 muna siya. Wide.
Kaya naman siya. So sa diri, sa quick panel, may screen recorder ka naman. Pwede ka naka-record mismo diri, ma'am. So nung ka na mag-download, i-record mo na kung ano gina-watch mo. So screen recorder. And then, Dolby Atmos Cinematic Surround Sound. I-on mo na siya kung magpa-music ka or connect mo sa Bluetooth speaker. Smart View, pwede mo siyang mamakonect sa Smart TV mo without using Wi-Fi. Kaya ma'am ha, Smart View and then on mo mirroring sa TV. So, connected sila dua.
So that would be all, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next vlog. Bye!
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.